Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Putop.Shop. So as you can see, we have here on Malware Tips and Scam Advisor. So right off the bat, I'm going to say that this site is a scam. So as you can see, if we go on over here and go to their shop, it can't be reached anymore. So they're basically down. So as you can see, malwaretips.com goes over how the Putop.Shop scam store operates. So number one, social media advertising, then the illusion of a real e-commerce store, fake order confirmations, failure to deliver on ordered items, refusal to issue refunds, and rinse and repeat. So basically, here are the red flags. So part of a scam network, copied legal pages, zero contact information, anonymous company, unrealistic discounts, copied content, and no social media presence. So as you can see, if you scroll up here, so once the victims place orders and submit payment information, the scammers simply take the money and run. Customers are left with one of these following outcomes. So basically, they're left with nothing at all. The most common outcome, orders go unfulfilled and simply disappear after payments are processed. Knockoff or inferior substitutes, used, damaged, or tampered goods, and completely wrong items. So please do not order or buy anything. But fortunately, they're now gone. They've been taken down. As you can see also right here in Scam Advisor, they're also rated 1. So they have a lot of negative highlights. So yeah, that is basically it. So as you can see here from the reviews also, they have 1-star reviews right here. This person said, ordered 2 camping tables, never arrived, and a lot more. So yeah, please don't order from Putop.Shop. They are basically a scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.